So I opened up the product for the first time and applied it. The result is really lovely. I'm going to show you my skin up close. It's a primer, so you put it on under your foundation. There's a really light glow to it. You can see a slight sheen on my cheeks, but it's not like a shiny glow. I was afraid it would be shiny because I have some oils in my skin, but it's kind of a nice, desirable sort of a glow so far. And it also kind of took away some of the wrinkles and imperfections there, or muted them anyway. And when I opened it, it doesn't really have much of a fragrance, which is a good thing in my book, and so far I really like it. So here's the end result with the Revlon Rose Glow after I applied my foundation. I think it turned out really pretty. Look at the shine on my cheek. Love it. I would definitely recommend this one. It's really fun.